Hello everyone. As you all know, this is an era of big data. And with the rise of big data, the importance of data visualization is also growing at a very compounding rate. Therefore, I, Abhishek Sharma, present you a modern sales dashboard that I built in Tableau desktop using sample superstore dataset. To start with, let me first give you a glimpse of my dashboard in which I built various metrics and various visuals to represent our overall sales of North America regions. This is my modern sales dashboard of which I was talking about. On the top, I can see the 4 distinct regions along with their sales. Below that, I can see a map chart which is showing profit percent by state. On hovering on each state, I can see the profit percent pertaining to that state along with the total sales and total profit of that state. On the right hand side, I can see a combo chart which is showing a profit versus sales trend. On the below, I can see a bar chart which is showing profit by category, and on the bottom right I can see again a bar chart which is showing sales by top 5 subcategories. On the left hand side I can see the 3 bars. The first one is showing the total sales, the second one is showing the total profit, and the third one is showing the total orders. I tried to build my dashboard so dynamic and interactive that by selecting any of the region, you can directly drill into that particular region. Let me show you what I mean. If I select East region, all my visuals will get set as per the selected East region. I can see the states only pertaining to East region. And if I select this go to order details button, it will take me to the complete order detail which I made in a tabulated report form. Is it interesting? If I again want to go back to my dashboard view, I can click on go to dashboard view and it will take me back to the dashboard. If I further drill my states to, let's say, East New York State, all my visuals will get set as per the selected state. To that level, I made this dashboard dynamic and interactive. Again, if I go to order details, I can see the order details based on the selected region and the selected state, which is New York. If I go back again to my dashboard view and let's reset everything. So let's start to build all these visuals step by step in Tableau desktop. So to start with, let's open the data file. Go to Microsoft Excel. I'm using the sample superstore dataset. You can Google this dataset and find it very easily. Let me create a relationship between these 3 sheets just simply by dragging them. After that, I'm going to sheet 1. Now to create a first visual which is regions. By region I mean this particular visual: Central, East, South and West. So drag this to column, just hide this, make it to the entire view and drag the sales from here. Let's just format the sales to currency increase the font size to 10, and from here select shapes, and from here select this circle, let's increase the size a bit, go to levels, select this middle alignment, and also drag the region to levels. Again go to level, since level should be on the top, so just cut and paste this level, align it to middle, select apply, let's make it bold, select apply, OK. Also drag the region to color, that will differentiate each region, and hide this card. Let's hide this also by unchecking the show header. Let's give the name to the sheet sales by region. Make a tooltip more beautiful by doing certain stuff, increasing the font size to 15, color to blue, and this to 12, black. Okay, perfect. So this is our first visual. The second visual will be the 3 barns: total sales, total profit, and total orders. Okay, let's open a new sheet and give it a name, total sales. So let's drag the sales from here to the column. From show me, select this, the top visual, make it to the entire view, click format, align to middle, keep it bold, format, dollar, okay. Similarly, just duplicate this sheet because we have to make another band of total profit. Here just drag the profit over sales, it will directly change from sum of sales to sum of profit. Just click on format, currency, total profit, remove the tooltip. From the earlier also remove the tooltip since we do not need the tooltip here. And the last will be the total orders, last barn. So just duplicate it and rename the sheet total orders, and total orders count, just drag it from here to here, count of orders, right, and rest all will remain same. So these 3 bands are built. So next one, to build a map. Now to build a map, select the country and drag it to detail, Similarly, select state and drag to detail and drag the profit to color. Just remove this card. Now we need the profit percent, right? So add table calculation, percent of total, right? Now on hover we need the profit percent, the total sum of sales and total sum of profit also. Let's drag them to detail. Now let's improve the tooltip. Let's add region also to the tooltip. Now region, and from here insert state, then profit percent, I need total sales on top and total profit on bottom, right? Let's make this to 15 and bold and make it to blue. Let's make it to 12 and black. Nice. Profit percent, total sales. Perfect. Let's wash out the rest of the areas from the map since we do not need them by selecting the map layers and wash out to 100%. So rest areas wash out. Let's rename the sheet profit percent by states. Edit the title 10 bold, apply OK. So this is our map build. The next visual is the combo chart, which is having the profit and the sales. Let's build this. So to build a combo chart, let's drag the order date in columns, right? And select month, year. Now let's drag the profit to rows. So this is the rows. For the time being, let's filter the same to the latest year, which is 2017. For that, I am dragging the order date and selecting years and dragging it to filter. Show filter, and instead of all, I'm only selecting 2017. So this is my profit trend for 2017 from January to December. I need the sales also, so for that just drag the sales besides the sum of profit. Now this is my sales, and from here just select the area chart. Select the area chart and the profit, select the color, just drag the sum of profit to color and edit color and make it divergent, orange and blue. Click apply, OK, and just hide this card. And sum of sales, just drag sum of sales to color again, hide. Now just click on this down little arrow and make it a dual axis, so it will merge it and synchronize. Oops. Okay, so it is showing us the total sales in the area chart and total profit trend in the line chart. Now just move marks point to front for the line. Just let's remove the show header, edit axis, remove this and click format, axis, custom, and write here MMM, so I can only see the short form of months. Right, now let's build a tooltip. So for tooltip, on sum of profit, which is this particular line, I want to see the month and I want to see the profit. Let's maximize month, orange, let's format the profit, okay, Jan, Feb, March. Okay, now similarly let's format the tooltip for sum of sales. I want the month, let's keep it something like gray. Okay, or let's keep it not gray since it's sale, let's keep it blue, and this one black, simple black. And just format the sales also in the required currency, which is dollars. Now March sales is 58,000 and March profit is 14,000. One more thing we need to do, we need to synchronize the axis. So to synchronize the axis, just click on show header and right click on synchronize axis. Right, so this is a major step. Now again just click on show header. It is showing though the March sale is 58,000 but the profit is only 14,000. Right, so this is a perfect. Now just let's clean up the sheet by removing these lines, grid lines. Okay, let's rename the sheet profit versus sales trend. Also just drag the order date to detail, because I want to show here which particular year is selected and for which year this trend is being shown. So just name this sheet again profit versus sales trend for insert year, make it 10, bold, black, apply. Okay, so you can see 2017 since my selected filter is 2017, right? So this is the profit versus sales. Now the next one, we have to build the two bar charts, one with profit by category and another one is sales by top 5 subcategories. So first of all, let's build this profit by category. So to build this, let's drag the category to rows, let's drag the profit here and change it this, right? Just format them and left align them. Okay, just remove this category from the top. Okay. Now we have to make the rounded corners from both the sides, since we are seeing here rounded corners, right? So to make them, just double click here and just manually write this average 0.0. Okay, now this is the average 0.0. Now just drag it on the axis, right, and drag and change this to line. Now just drag the measure names to path and just increase the size. This will give me a rounded bar chart with rounded edges. Now drag it to the label, from label remove the category, apply. Okay, just format it, currency, and also align them middle like this and change the color to light orange, right? And again let's align them to right, that will be better. From here let's make this bold and font size 8, right? Just remove the axis and just clean up it by removing the grid lines. Zero lines, axis ruler, pick. Okay, let's give the name profit by category. Let's enhance the tooltip, category, sum of profit, make it 10 and this. Okay, make it 10 and bold. Okay, so next is sales by top 5 subcategory. Now similarly we have to make again one more bar chart with rounded curves. Let's drag the subcategory and drag the sales, change it like this, sorted descending order. Okay, just hide this. Again, make one manual calculation, average 0.0, drag it to the axis, change it to the line chart, drag the measure to path, increase the size, and we need only top 5 by sales. So select a filter, go to top by formula, write here top 5 and write here sum sales, apply. Okay, so we can see only top 5. Now drag the subcategory to labels, drag the sum of sales to labels, go to labels, here remove this subcategory, right, make it bold and 8. Okay, now format it, okay, now remove this show header, change the color to orange, and alignment will be middle and right. Perfect. Now let's enhance the tooltip. Subcategory, remove this measure, sales, make it 12, let's give sales by top 5 subcategories, edit 10 bold black. Let's remove the grid lines, format, make everything to none, right, format this and make it to the right. Similarly, profit by category, let's sort it in descending order by field, which is sum of profit. Right, now all our visuals have been built, just one is left, which is this tabulated report. So to make this tabulated report, we need order ID, customer name, segment, order date, region, state, order, sales and profit. Let's build this. So from here, let's drag order ID, after that customer name, after that segment, after that order date, and we need order date not in this form but in, just make it attribute and it will give us the full date. Then select region and state, region and then state. Now drag orders, then drag sales and then drag the profit. Make it entire view. Oops, just make it a fixed width. Now make I want profit in the last. Now wherever I'm seeing the profit minus, I want to shade them to red. For that, just drag the sum of profit to colors and make it red or green. Show advance, center 0, and step red or green. Apply, OK. Now I don't want to see like this minus, I want to format it. So just format and currency, let's keep it up to 1 decimal place, make it dollar, and like this, display like this, right? Just hide this card. Now you are seeing wherever the profit is negative, it is shown in rounded brackets and in red, and wherever the profit is positive, it's in green, right? Now just count of orders. I just want to see the orders, just rename it to orders, order, sales and profit. Perfect. Now I want to see the alert dot. Wherever the profit is in negative, the red dot should appear before the customer name, right? For that, I'll create one calculated field, alert, pass if profit is less than 0, then give me that dot, and else give me blank. So I have to put here that dot sign or dark circle sign. So to get that dark circle sign, I have to go to this geometric shape. I'll give you the link of this website so that you can find it easily. So you can find here geometric shapes, and we need the dot. So select the dot from here and just copy it and paste it here. So if profit is less than 0, then give me the dot, else give me blank, and so this is our calculated field. Click apply and OK, and drag it in between the order ID and the customer name. Just make it a little bit narrower and just format, align it, align, format, align it to right or automatic or center is fine. Okay, center. Okay, now let's change these black dots to red. Right click, format, or from this down arrow click format, and from here just change this to red, from this red. Okay, so now it's red. So wherever the color, the profit is negative, it's red. Okay, go to colors, just remove this alert from here, go to color, so the profit is, color is gone. To give the color red to the negative value of profit, just drag the profit to color shelf and you will get it green and red. Let's give the name to the sheet, order details, right click, make it 10, bold and black, click OK. Now just remove the tooltip since we do not need tooltip here. Let's make it little bit spacey. Okay, now all of our worksheets have been built. Now it's time to take these worksheets to dashboard. For that, just click on this new dashboard, give the range to automatic so it will enhance to the area. Now as you can see in this dashboard, we have this rounded corners rectangles. So to make such view, you have to take the help of PowerPoint. So here in PowerPoint, I have already built these rectangular boxes. I can show you how I build these. So from the insert button, go to shapes and select this rectangular rounded corners box, make it, and from the shape format select the shape effects, and from this present tab select no presents as none. So you will get this type of shaded box with the shadow. You can just copy and paste like from here to down to right and to left to make the number of rectangles that you want, in which you have to fix the visuals in the Tableau dashboard. After making this, you just have to save as the file, save as this slide in PNG format, and you have to save it in documents, my Tableau repository, and make a new folder here by whatever name you want. Before that, in my Tableau repository, you have to go to shapes and make a new folder here. Like I have made a new folder as dashboard icons. So in this, I just saved my this particular PNG file. Okay. Now when I move to dashboard, I simply go to image, drag the image from object, select the image which I want to choose. So mine is Tableau landing page. Select OK, click center, fit, apply, OK, and you can see the image that I created in PowerPoint is now here. Now we just have to drop our worksheets. So first of all, let's drop the total sales. Before that, make it floating from here. Now drag the total sales, make it smaller so that it can fit here easily. Edit title and make it center. Okay. Similarly, drag the total profit, make it small. Make sure this particular is selected to floating. Right click on the edit title make it center, apply OK, make it small, and then the orders, make it small again, right? Let's make these bold, make it to 10 and bold. Okay, so the next step will be drag the sales by region. So in sales by region, first of all, just hide the title, since we know that these are the 4 regions. This process of adjusting the size of the visuals in the dashboard is little slow. Right click here and row divider to none and column divider to none. Okay, so it's our region here. Perfect. Now let's drag map. So make it little smaller in size so that it will fix, and from here, okay, edit title, if I make it 9, yeah, it looks better. Okay, format, row divider none, column divider none. Okay, and here we can hover and see each and everything. Perfect. Then the trend, let's drag and drop the trend, so make it smaller. Just right click, format, since we have to remove these dividers, so just format it, click on this, row divider to none, column divider to none, and now we cannot see this. Edit the title, reduce the font size to 9, click apply OK. Perfect. Okay, this is the filter of the year, which we have to keep it, make it single value drop down, and just fix it here like this. Click on edit title, make it center. Okay, now the next is the bar chart, profit by category. Just drag it and align it within the shape. Okay, right click on the category, 9, apply OK. Same way, sales by top 5 subcategories, edit title, make it 9, apply OK, and make it a little bit smaller, reduce the size from here also. Okay, top 5 subcategories, top 5 categories, barns. Now we have to just give a name, sales dashboard, landing page. One more dashboard page we have to make, on which we have to drag the order details. Choose landing page 2. Now here I have to drag the floating order details, right? Let's make it little small. It will fit. Go on layout, borders. It's perfect. You can see now we have to make the icon to go to the order details page and return back to the dashboard page. For that, what you have to do, you have to make one more worksheet to get the icons. So to get the icon, what you have to do, just you have to Google or search the icons. For example, go to the data or order details dashboard. I used this particular icon, which I used as a button. You just can search it and download it and save it in your My Tableau repository, and from there you can simply, I'll tell you what step to follow. So on rows, write a formula average 0.0, a dummy formula. After that, select the shapes, go on shapes, select more shapes, and select, after you saved the icons from after googling, you have to save the icons in your My Tableau repository, and once the icons is saved in your My Tableau repository, you have to reload shapes from here, and then you have to go on the folder and just select the icon, click apply and OK. So here is my icon. Just increase the size a little bit. Just uncheck the show header, hide title, and just give a name. Go to order detail. Okay, make it let's remove this center lining. Zero line to none, trend line to none. Let's do everything to none. Perfect. Just name it, go to order details icon. Similarly, duplicate it, go to dashboard icon. Now from here again go to shapes. I have already downloaded this dashboard icon from here, right? Go back to dashboard on the tooltip, Okay, let me go back to my dashboard and drag this icon from here. Let's hide this and make it smaller, little bit more smaller, and align it on the top right corner. Okay, now I have to create the action to run this button. For that, go to dashboard, actions, add actions, go to sheet, and I only have to select, go to order details icon. Let's uncheck rest all. The target sheet will be my dashboard 2, which is carrying the order details. Click OK. Let's rename it or just keep it as it is. Click OK. So here is the order detail. If I click here, it will take me to this dashboard. Let's rename this dashboard sales dashboard order details. Right now here I have to put one more button to take me back to the dashboard. For that, just drag this go to dashboard icon, hide the details, make it smaller, make it a little bit more smaller, and keep it here. Perfect. Go back to dashboard. Again, go to dashboard, create action, select action, go to sheet, go to dashboard, order detail is my source sheet, and I have to go to the landing page. No, just select this, go to dashboard icon, because this is my source. This will drive me to back to the dashboard, main landing page dashboard. Click OK. Again click OK. Now when I click here, it will take me here, right? So till now everything is okay. Now we have to make this particular dashboard dynamic, right, and interactive. First of all, this filter should apply to each and every visual. For that, just click on the down arrow, go to apply worksheet, selected worksheet, and select all on the dashboard. So whatever you have on the dashboard will get selected, on this particular dashboard will get selected. Okay, and now it's applied to all the visuals, right? Now we have to drill all our dashboard by region. For that, just click this small filter button which is showing use as filter. Okay, similarly we also have to drill our dashboard by states. So by selecting, just make this highlighted. Now if I select central, it is highlighted, it is drilled to central. If I select east, it is drilled to east, south, drilled to south. Further, if I drill to north, south, North Carolina, perfect, it's been drilled, right? Again click here and click here. Now I also want to drill my order details. So for that, just click on map chart, go to sheet, and from this action click this down arrow, go to apply to worksheet, selected worksheet, and select order details worksheet, click OK. Right, let's go back to the dashboard landing page. Similarly, go to regions, go to sheet, click on this down arrow, apply to worksheet, selected sheet, and select order details. Click OK, and also select the order date and click on apply to worksheet, selected worksheet, and select here the order details. Now whatever filters those are applied on the landing page are also applied on my order details page. Let me show you. If I select West region and if I also select West Montana, now if I go to my order details, I can see the order details only for the state Montana and the region West. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's give the name to this dashboard, Modern Sales Dashboard. Make it 15, center, make it bold, or let's make it 14, not 15. Place it here. Right, now our dashboard is ready. If I want to see only 2015 data, select on 2015, and this is showing me my old data is been drilled to 2015. If I select East, I can see the profit percent by states for East region, profit by categories for East region, and subcategories for East region. If I want to see East Marine, where the profit percent is 0.2, so the data has been drilled. And if I go to order details, I can see only single line item for that particular East Main. Let's go back to dashboard. Let's click here, go to South region, South Alabama, right? So this way we can build a modern sales dashboard using various tips and tricks in Tableau desktop. Hope you like this video. You can share this too. Please do not forget to press the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Happy analyzing.